what's unique about the idle screen, it's from here you can do everything.
So it's, can choose from two interfaces, the cube one. Yeah,
exactly. You can go through menus if you really like them, but me as a user, just my phone, I never pass the idle. And I can show you why. We have three mechanisms which enables you to access to any kind of content, and that's the revolutionary part. Content and not application and so on. So these three groups you have the phone, which shows you the main connectivity applications, and you have the diary, which gives you like all the PIM stuff, like messaging, SMSs, calendar, and so on. And you have the media, which actually gets you all the rest, files, GPS, album browser, and so on. Okay, but what's nice about that it's not like I'm releasing my finger now, I open the dialer. So it's a one-click interaction to do anything. And the amazing part is that it's not only application, I can just swipe my finger to the left and I expose content. Now I can see my frequency dial, and by releasing my finger, actually dialing. And that actually enables you to do everything on the device. I want to see my photos, so I'll do like that. Release my finger, go into the photo.
Innovative.
I want to see someone call me, let's set a meeting. I said, just let me check my calendar. Okay, I'm available from 1:30 to 5. Invoke my finger and I'm going to set a meeting. Okay, I just send you an email.
All with one finger.
Yeah, everything with one finger. Remove. Okay, here's the email. Just reading it.
Can you show the keyboard in
a second? In addition to that, and that actually gives you everything, we have a nice gesture feature that enables you to do almost everything by gesture. Like I can do like this kind of activity, and this open the GPS. And I set it up. I can do like, if I'll do some kind of weird, you say, okay, that's just define whatever you want. I will go here. And I can say, okay, what do you want to do? Like, for example, you want to call someone, and you want to send message to someone, you want open application, you want to open a URL. You can even simulate a call. That's a nice feature, by the way. We're in a meeting, you want to stop the meeting, someone call me. So you do a gesture, and you get a phone call, like someone calls you. We have nice features like that. So that's the second mechanism. And the third one, it's global search. I can search everything on the device, but it's when I say everything, it's everything indexed. All my storage is indexed. We can search on server, like our media store service. You can search on the server. So you can actually do whatever you want, and you get search result. You get everything from here, from contact, mails,
SMS,
whatever, whatever. So by those three, you get on the phone. And that's really revolutionary because this is, again, mobility. Single clicks, short actions to get content, to do stuff. That's what people want.
Just a question. This is an open software, so you can install or put other software or not?
The device, when it's going to be launched, it's going to be launched with ability to upload application by an app store, not for any user like Windows and so on. It's going to come with an app store. As you will find out, we are one of the items we are following is the Limo. This is a Limo phone.
So based on Linux?
Exactly, it's based on Linux and it's an open source platform. So of course people will be able to develop application, and we're going to have a process of certification to enable those applications. So it's going to be controlled but open.
Okay.
That's a totally.
So maybe in the future you can find applications.
The idea is again to keep the experience. It's important. If it will be completely open, it's kind of a chaos sometimes. So, but if it's open that everyone can develop and it's controlled by a good process, you can do it. Now, last thing, let's do the keyboard, and that's really amazing because when you look on the keyboard, it looks really small, right? But we have a lot of algorithm for prediction and suggestion and completion and so on. So it's actually predict what you're doing. Now I'm in the tool list, so it's actually predict my last contact that I just typed. So I press Ronnie. Let's go here now. Hi. So it's actually predict here that I typed I, although my finger is much bigger than the keyboard itself. Okay, so it's really nice. See how? You get a how. Welcome. Okay. See? So, and of course I can choose the word here, I can press space and it will select as
And this T9, I mean,
it has
also Italian, German,
yes,
all language.
it supports 6 languages.
Okay.
English, Spanish, French, German, Russian.
most one.
Which one?
No Italian.
Italian, of course. Italian, French, German, Spanish, Russian, English, German.
The major language. And you can turn also the
I can
keyboard?
turn it up, and then you get the full.
So with two fingers,
and with 2 fingers you can type whatever. Here's the idea when we are using kind of a multi-touch to enable that as a faster. But honestly saying, that's much easier.
with one finger.
Because I'm going to type. The project is, as you read, I guess probably is a joint venture with Access.
Sharp. Okay.
Access is the software manufacturer. So the browser, it's a Netphone browser, but it's an upgraded one. It's with, of course,
Faster than the other one.
of course. With, of course.
So when
you can write.
you buy it, you have all these flashes.
It's really bring something new. Like,
Yeah.
another thing that is very
It's
interesting.
like a free iPhone.
Apple did. It's amazing. They changed the market actually. Now you see that everyone they try to be very similar to Tuck. We come from a different
The
approach.
screen is an AMOLED. I think AMOLED display with LCD.
It's an LCD, but you notice that you have
And this iPhone, I think,
you can touch.
You
If
can
you press
touch.
this one, you get the clock and all the interface. You press all the messages and so on, and then you can communication.
also
And
go
to
to
Wi-Fi
the-
point of view, the speed. So it's going to be GPRS 3 for
Okay.
the H for HTTPA and Y for Wi-Fi. So it's really cool.
And you know the price almost.
The price actually, of course, but the price actually at the end is going to be controlled by operators. Our business model is runs through operators. It's a high-end device, and it runs in the high-end garden. I believe it's going to be competitive, but again, it's up to the operators to set the actual deal and subsidize it for the operators and the contract they do. Another
Depends
nice
from countries.
Yes, another nice thing that we have here, which is a bit different.
You have details here about stories from the news, from sources that you like, just like an RSS reader. And you can also get stock information and also weather information. So once you press on this ticker from the idle screen, you get all the information that you need divided into 3 types. This is the stories. Of course, if you go inside, you can see the full view. You can also see the full story on the browser and also share it with your friends. You can, once you go back, you can now look at the stocks. For each stock, you can define your own stocks. Here's the blaze, yeah. It's going up, so it's good. Okay. You have 5 types of graphs according to week, day, any resolution you want. It's powered by a company called Telkurs. Here you have the weather powered by AccuWeather.
Okay,
So you have
most famous one.
for the most famous one, yes. So you can have details here. You can define each location that you want in the world. We're supporting 3,000 cities in the world.
Okay.
If you want to go to detail view, you can look at the detail view. If you want, you can have satellite view in the browser, or you can actually directly go to AccuWeather's website to see the full view for each day. And of course, you can also share it. So and then you can also toggle here between location. It's very nice. You can also define special keywords for searches that you're interested, for the stories and so on, and define which kind of sources you like.
I want to show you the last nice feature. Show them the files and just play a movie.
Oh, just question.
Okay.
The resolution of the screen, you know?
Yes, of course. It's 854 on 480.
Okay.
That's kind of the HD standard.
WVGA.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Standard, the
let's look at the
latest
files.
HD data.
The beauty of it, I can open each file that I want from the display itself, okay? If I want to look at a movie, this is a good way to show you the capabilities of the video player.
Yeah, it support DVX or
It will support lots of codecs when it will be.
It's a very good for quality and HD quality for the movie.
That's hard to capture by camera, but
Yeah,
let's try that.
so flash a bit.
It's going to be hard to
it's very hard to capture in a camera, but you can see.
It's important that you get it. but the screen is really high quality. Okay.